Season's greeting to all from Sanskriti Kolkata. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode is 201st episode. Today's episode would be on Kani silks and also in Chanderi Kani. So watch the episode, you will love the new weaves that has come up during the past few months. The weavers were busy weaving for you. So let's keep watching. The first product is the Chanderi Kani with Baluchori all over weaving. It's the minimum range in Kani. This is Chanderi, very soft, comfortable, lightweight, and this is the woven in Baluchori design. It's a Kashmiri art woven in cloth. It's a beautiful art weave. See the figures, so it's giving a Baluchori look. This is the pallu. It has a touch of zari and it's all over woven. So many colors have been introduced in this beautiful woven Chanderi with all over zari and Meena Buta throughout the sari. See the beautiful Meena weave. I'll show you closely the intricate weaving. The beautiful woven border in Baluchori Mughal motif. See, all figure motifs like we see in the Baluchori silks, similar to that, but this is more of the Mughal art in figures like peacocks, figures, queens, kings, Mughal empires, emperor. Well, it's kind of somewhat, it's an art woven in the fabric. Beautiful color combination in butter color, creamish color, with all over weave. The upper part will not have the weave because it will be easy for you to tuck. And here is the blouse piece, which is again all over very fine Meena woven blouse piece. So this is the sari. For the past 3 years, we have not increased the price of Kani silks. But just because of the increase in the GST, we had to increase the difference in the GST prices. So it's our government rule, it's not in our hand, and there's lot of crisis of fabrics also. In spite of that, these were previously woven, hence I can show you these new stock when and what will come. It's very difficult to say now. There's lot of crisis of fabric. Any kind of fabric, even with advance payment, we are not getting raw materials. There's a lot of prices of raw materials, but since these were previously given to weave, I can show you these just in the beginning of the new year. Another very lovely color combination of peacock blue. This is floral Kani in Chanderi. Lovely peacock blue with all over lovely floral border woven with a narrow, very cute, beautiful border, and again this another floral border. There's 3 line of border along with jal weaving totally in jal weave with a touch of zari also. Here is the pallu part. See the rich woven pallu. This is the back side. Absolutely totally woven sari. Soft, lightweight, comfortable also. Only the palla part, it's so much weave. Only the palla will be slightly heavy. The rest sari is very comfortable. And since we do not weave the tuck-in part, so it's very comfortable. You will not find any problem about the heavy. You won't find it heavy. This is the blouse piece. You can make longer sleeves because there's a lot of fabric with the border. See the color combination. Beautiful. This is the pallu. Number 3, I have another nice color in floral. The prices of Chanderi Kani is 8,550 rupees, 8550. floral kanis. But look at the weaves. Absolutely new design and new floral weaves, very, very gorgeous. And these have much more weaves than the previous kanis which I showed you earlier. These have lovely, gorgeous, very bright weaves like the shawls we see in the Kashmiri shawls that we see. Very similar to those kind of pattern but in a sari with tassels and ready. See the look and the richness of the sari. It's within 8550, all these Chandeli kanis, and also it will have such rich blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Very rich pallu also. Once again closely check the body weave. Jet black. Those who are new to the channel, we have two branches in Kolkata. Only in Kolkata, nowhere, only in Kolkata we have two branches. So it's the initial one which we had opened 26 years ago. It's near the Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have the car park in front of the store, and also we have the other branch, 2C Cornfield Road near the Citizen Park, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. And Sundays we are closed, Monday to Saturday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night we are open. WhatsApp only in 7603042696 for bookings and inquiries also. In case of emergency call, best is to message. In case of emergency, you can call the 98311 number that is also going in the scroll. So you can check out that number for in case of you need to call or you need to do any kind of any information you need which is not possible via message, so you can go for that. After you make the payment, once I confirm you the booking, after you make the payment, kindly send the screenshot of the payment. The successful, the screenshot of the payment successful, that screenshot we need, and your name, address, shipping address, pin code and telephone number where the product needs to be shipped. Shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. It depends on the weight and the destination. International shipping is done regularly. If you want any further services like the blouse stitching, etc., we after the payment will contact you to the tailoring department. They will do the needful for you. You can check out with them, do WhatsApp calling with for the pattern or any other queries you want from them. So we'll sort that out also. And about our products, we have ethnic ethnic collection of suits, jackets, dupattas in Katha, Banarasi, stoles in both the branches. Menswear collection of ethnic wear is available only in the Cornfield Road branch. The costume jewelries are also available. Handmade costume jewelry, premium quality is available in both the branches. This is in deep wine color, deep maroon color, all coming with tassel, again a floral all over, beautiful all over jal pattern floral. All the saris I am opening for you so that you can understand the look of the product, how it will look after wearing, after draping. This is the blouse piece, again with all over Meena Buta. Since this is a fine silk chanderi, you need to add lining. It has a border. All the blouses will have a narrow sleek border also. This is the sari. only 8550 with such intricate all over weave. Now let me tell you, these particular range 8550 in Chanderi is not hand woven. This is a power loom product, hence the range is so less compared to the handloom kanis. Now again, whatever I am showing you today, you can see these are all new weaves. Look at this weave, coral color, self to self, beautiful all over woven, extremely comfortable for the winter of course, and in summer you can, wherever you are going, you are mostly in AC, so it won't be much of a problem, but of course you have so many saris to wear for summer. So this is a beautiful Kani weave in Chanderi all over. This is all, whatever the design you are seeing, it's totally woven. Can you imagine the amount of weave it has, and only price 8,550 rupees. So though the price has increased 500 to 600 rupees for the GST, the weave also I have made the karigar do much more intricate and new weave. This is the blouse piece, two-tone coral blouse piece with the border. So it's totally value for money. Absolutely go to weddings wearing these. It's a beautiful sari, two-tone color. So these coming in the paisley weave. So I've showed you Baluchori Kani, I've shown you floral Kani. Now these are coming to us the paisley Kani weaves. It's very pretty. Off-white with all over jal paisley weave and a very pretty unique woven border, that also totally woven. See the back side, this is totally woven. You can do netting in the pallu if necessary, you can do, but in my saris I haven't done any netting, but if you want you can do the netting with tassels. Lovely weave, lovely color combination in orange and green and off-white, peach, tomato red, lovely, and the blouse piece is solid off-white color with the border. So since the body has so much of weave, the blouse piece is in solid color. Wear it with this blouse only, don't go for any experimentation, because this blouse will give really look nice, because the fabric is very nice, very comfortable fabric. 8,550 rupees for this Kani. So as you can see, all new collection and all new weaves in Kani. Same price. This is a lovely Rani color in paisley. Amazing color combination, very gorgeous, very bright. This is the hot pink two-tone blouse piece with the border. See the pallu, such gorgeous, lovely pallu. 8550 for this Paisley Rani, and the my dear doll wearing another Rani color, but this is in floral. Now see, I love this. I too have taken one for myself, this color. This is I found it very, very, very catchy color, and also I like the weave of the border and the the whole body. It has touch of neon green in Rani. So this color combination I personally liked a lot. It has Rama green, yellow and neon color in Rani. So ultimate look is really grand, very gala regal look in Rani color. Kani all over. See the pallu also. Very intricate weave, very interesting border, and the pallu also, and imagine this kind of weave, totally all over weave. 8550, yes, 8550 in Rani color. It has a Rani blouse piece with a border. Check out once again the pleats. See, such a lovely color combination and weave. Once again, see the very pretty color, and this is also 8550 mannequin sari. Now coming to the hand woven modal silk, pure exquisite kanis, very lightweight, very comfortable, hand woven, and the design too will be very interesting. See, this is again a baluchori figure design in midnight blue. Each design, each border, the buta, the figure, see the colors that have been introduced. Pallu. This is product number 9, 17,900, all over Meena Buta hand woven kani, very lightweight, can be worn throughout the year. Meena Buta, very lightweight, as I said. And here comes the gorgeous rich blouse piece. Make full use of the fabric in the blouse, make full sleeve, wear a jacket blouse, anything, but it's just amazing, this beautiful weave. There is a lot of shortage of fabric, of pure items, even for the art products also. Fabrics, lot of dirt in fabrics. Nowhere we are getting good fabric now. So we have to wait. I don't know when again I'll be able to show you more episodes. All advance given to the karigars, but fabric prices have increased so much in the past 1 month, 1 to 2 months. Meena Buta all over in black. Another amazing baluchori kani. Gorgeous rich color combination. Black is always gorgeous. 17,900. Hand woven. And see the Meena Buta with a touch of zari. Very soft, very soft. With a great fall and intricate woven border. See the blouse piece. Previous, none of the kanis are available now, all sold out. So we have done this new weaves, which is just completed. It took 4.5 months for the weavers to give the delivery of this kani. 4.5 months. Can you imagine? So just check out the current episode only. Previous stock is totally sold out. I have another bottle green in this Baluchori Kani. Bottle green. Amazing color combination. Bottle green Meena woven Kani. $17,900. Same price all over Buta. And yes, the rich blouse piece. Give a lining for this. Closely check out the blouse piece. It's totally shikarga weave. The previous 3 hand woven Kani that I showed you, can you see the shikarga weave in the whole blouse with animals, figures, birds in the blouse piece. Exquisite Kani weave blouse piece, and the bottle green color is very rich too. So those who doesn't yet have Kani, or those who doesn't have these kind of designs, you can select from this episode, because all new weaves and new designs and very good quality, very interesting designs in these episode I'll be showing you. Now that was Buta border design. Now comes the exquisite jal woven, hand woven Kani. All these that I'll be showing you now are all hand woven. Imagine the weave. Why wouldn't it take so long? It's grand, it's exquisite, it's intricate, and it's unique. Each motif, see the color with lavenders and greens, neon, lime color, lovely color combination, and so intricate and tiny weave. Each weave is so gorgeous. The pallu part, this is 17,500. 17,500, product number 12. All over Jal Kani weave. Actually, this particular design had come before 1st of January. So, it is the old price. Actually, this price, we haven't increased that difference in 7%. So, it's the old price that you are getting. Next time when this come, it will be more 7% more. This is the blouse piece, because this all over weave can't be in this range actually. Very, very pretty design. It's actually a masterpiece. Whoever will own this, it will be a pride in her wardrobe. Actually, Neighbors Envy Owner's Pride collection. Another gorgeous peacock blue with exact shades of the feathers of the peacock. See the Konya Buta Jal weave all over, absolutely stunning weave in blue. Again, see the border design. Mainly the color combination. The color combination is also so rich. The intricate shawl weaves from Kashmir. This is the blouse piece. Totally woven. This is the back side. Totally woven blouse piece. Stunning, isn't it? Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe, because I would be very, very happy if you are supporting small scale business. I'll be really honored, really honored. We really need your support at this time. See this color, no buta, border pallu concept, very elegant, very classy, in a new shade which I've never shown you before, this shade. And see the border. See the artwork, it's totally woven with chikarga, beautiful, I mean absolutely a piece of art. See the, I'm showing you closely the weave, the design. Rich, gorgeous, big pallu, product number 14, 15,900. Again, we have not yet increased the difference. This is again the old rate. We could not, there were more than 4,000, 5,000 pieces stock in the store. So all products we could not increase the price. But believe me, this is the old price that you're getting. You can check out our previous episodes. Border pallu sarees were same range and we've kept the same range, even though this is a totally new design. Blouse piece. Stunning shade of yellow. With corner buta. Number 15, border pallu concept in black. Here comes the konia buta. See, check out the border. The more the fine the weave, the richer it looks. 16,900 for this. 16,900. This border design is different than the previous one. This is the blouse piece. $16,900. Number 16. Now see this color. It's a Gonga Jol color. All over weave. This is another beauty. This is, I mean, you can see it for yourself. The color, it's very rich and it's extremely elegant. It may not be colors like red, green, yellow, blacks, but this color is another piece of art. The whole concept, the whole weave. Firstly, see the border weave. Now the body weave. Totally woven. 17,500. Very pretty sari, very gorgeous. And the blouse piece. For the past few weeks, many of you have returned that there was no Kani stock, but since now these have just come, you can just check out this program. And because Kani is always in demand, there was so much demand in Kani, and our Kani, thankfully we are sold out. Previous stock is totally sold out. So these are the new collections that have come, and I am showing you because many of you are still waiting for my Kani. See this, another jal weave with figure border in red. Again, I've shown you tomato red, I've shown you two-tone Rani red, but this bright red is the first time. Jal weave in the body, shikarga jal weave, and the border will have the figure weave. Very pretty. See the color combination. Blouse piece in mustard, turmeric yellow color, two-tone mustard color. Gorgeous for the brides also. See with the blouse piece how gorgeous it's looking. It's a orangish, mustard orangish color blouse piece. Very pretty color combination blouse piece. Throughout the look will be very gorgeous. This is totally hand woven. Number 18. Again new design. See this lovely dome shape border. Very interesting border design. And here is the pallu. 15,900. Again the same old rate you are getting, 15,900 in navy blue color. Especially I love the colors, so many colors in the motif, but yet so cute and so tiny, intricate weave, delicate, very delicate weave. This is the speciality of the Kani weave. Can you see how delicate the weave is? Have a white in this. Wow. Totally like a shawl color combination. Off-white and earthy border. Amazing, isn't it? See the colors. Very unique, very uncommon. Of course, with this gorgeous rich blouse piece. I have a black too, So 3 colors I'm showing you in this border pallu concept. So I have a black too. In details I'm showing you all the designs, all the colors. I'm explaining it to you, I'm draping it for you. So please do not block the product. See the product properly. These will be uploaded in the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided. This is the blouse piece. See the still photos, be sure, and then do the booking. Of course, I know you have always been prompt in your payment, and that's the reason why we try to ship it in 2 to 3 working days after completing the ironing and everything. 15,900 for this product number 20 in black. So this is the pallu part, and again the rich blouse piece. A lovely self-designed with contrast border pallu, balu chori motif design. I have a black in this also, which I had worn in previous episode. Now this is coming in peacock blue, a royal blue peacock blue color combination, balu chori border, self woven all over, kani woven self body weave. The border will have multicolor contrast weave. Here comes the pallu, price 16,900. 16,900 for product number 21 in a very unique gorgeous color combination of peacock blue with a contrast red blouse piece. It's a pinkish red color blouse piece again with the jal woven weave. I try to do the blouse piece very gorgeous because usually we want to make full sleeve or a jacket style blouse with this, and with a woven blouse it looks much more gorgeous. I love this color combination. 22 black, again border pallu, shikarga pallu, shikarga border in solid color. Today you will love the kani. I'm sure you will love the kani. 15,900. The upper part box design border with a figure motif lower border and a woven rich contrast red blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece, and here is the, see the concept of the weave. Beautiful color combination. (23) navy, dark navy, corner butta, border pallu. Very smart. This border pallu concept looks very smart. Konia butta. Dark navy, and see the border. $15,900. All these are old rates. Border pallu concept was previously also 15,900. We have not yet increased 15,900 for this too. Like I said, I could not complete, it's not possible, but you can grab the offer in that case. This is the blouse piece for this. Black, 24 is black, again border pallu. So you have a lot of choice this time. Lot of choice, so many new colors I've shown. I've shown you quite a few range also, starting from 8,550. You've always appreciated border pallu concept, so this time I'm showing you many new border design, many new weaves, many new combination and designs in border pallu concept, and also in small buttas also. That also looks very pretty. Even I'm wearing one butta concept, small butta. Jal, so many designs this time. This is the blouse piece, again in intricate all over Kani weave. This is the back side. See the weave. Of course you need a lining, but this is the style of Kani weave, and this is the sari. $15,900. Now coming to the floral border butta design, product number 25. Green, bottle green, all over butta, border floral, pallu floral, no figure. Red and bottle green. Prices are all mentioned, so you can check out the price. And wow, it has a very interesting blouse piece. Just check out this blouse piece. Again a new weave, totally new weave, and what a gorgeous blouse piece this has. You can wear it separately also with skirts. Make it as a little longer so that you can wear it with skirts also if you want. What a beautiful piece. Same one I have number 26 in blue. Beautiful shade of blue butta. Again the same rich blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. Gorgeous color combination. 27. Black again, corner butta, paisley. So all the black lovers, here are many black beauties for you. See the borders, see the border weave, each different from each other. This is 15,900, again the old price. Border pallu with Konia butta, 15,500. See the pallu. And there you go, the gorgeous grand blouse piece. Jet black, and these are all in pure fabric. $28, similar to what I am wearing. Baluchori border, figure motive animal with elephants and emperors, Mughal artwork in the form of figures in hand woven Kashmiri woven sari in pure modal silk. This is product number 28. 17,500 with in a rich blue color, all over Meena butta, and it has again a very interesting checkered all over woven blouse piece. Here is your blouse piece for the blue one. Aztec design with figure and peacock in between the motifs, and this is the sari. And the last one that I am wearing, same thing in black. This too has this gorgeous same blouse piece. The black color Baluchori motif Kani. This is the blouse piece. Price same 17,500 as the blue one, 17,500. The neck piece that I am wearing with this stonework, gorgeous jade and pink color combination earring, and this choker. 3250. 3250 is the neck piece along with the earring matching. Choker with the matching earring is 3250. 3250. See the colors, the jade and the pink, it's going so well, and it goes with western and ethnic saris also. 3250. And this bangle that I am wearing, 2400. How much? 1400. 1400 is for the bangle. 1400 is for the bangle. And as I said, the neck piece with the earring is 3250. One looks very nice. It's enough, one for one. And the sari, as I said, is 17,500. Thank you so much for watching till the end.